you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going through the best of Lush hair care. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you will know that I kind of started this series, the best of Lush, and I never really finished it, which is awful of me. I am so sorry. But today I'm doing the hair care section of this series, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 10,000 of you, which is absolutely insane, and I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers. It has been a goal of mine for as long as I can remember, since I hit 1,000, which was ages ago. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, and carry on watching. So a little disclaimer before I get into the 10 things that I'm going to be sharing with you today. These are not necessarily the only good pieces of hair care from the range. These are the pieces that I've tried that are the top 10 that I think are the best, work the best, and that kind of thing. Obviously, if you have favourites that I don't mention, let me know down below. I would love to know what your favourite hair care products are, but these are my faves. These are the best that I think anyway, and yeah, let's go. So the first product is a shampoo, and that is the Wasabi Shankwai. I think I've pronounced that wrong. It's the wasabi shampoo. Ingredients wise, the shampoo has wasabi, sea salt, caffeine, rose oil, lemon oil, orange oil, and olive oil. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you will know that I have been on a hair growth journey for probably about 3 years now, and it hasn't really been going very well, as you can see. But I love the fact that this shampoo has caffeine in it, so it also is really great for hair growth and things like that. But I also find the shampoo is absolutely brilliant for adding volume into my hair. Now, I have naturally curly hair, so volume isn't necessarily a thing that I need. However, when I curl my hair, when I straighten my hair, I do like to have that extra bit of volume and lift in the root, just so it's not flat on my face. Do you know what I mean? Price wise, it is a little bit more on the expensive side. It is £9 for 110 grams. Definitely worth it in my opinion. If you haven't tried it, go into your local Lush, get a sample, give it a try, and let me know down below your thoughts and opinions. Next up is a shampoo bar, and this one is no surprise. If you've watched my videos for longer than probably a year, you will know that I am obsessed with the shampoo bar, and that is the new shampoo bar. Ingredients wise, this shampoo bar has peppermint infusion, nettle infusion, nettle absolute, rosemary absolute, clove bud oil, and cinnamon leaf oil. All of these things encourage hair to grow. This is basically the shampoo bar that I need to be using every single day. I am slowly getting through all of my shampoos, conditioners. I have a lot of hair care for someone who hasn't even got long hair, and honestly this shampoo bar is one of my all-time favourites. I really want to stock up on this. If I could have 10 in my collection at all times, I absolutely would, because I love it that much. It's absolutely incredible, and this is a shampoo bar that I used when my hair was about here and it grew when I was at university, and it's just insane. I absolutely love it. I love shampoo bars. I think they're brilliant. They lather up beautifully, and it's just made me realise that I need to get another new one. So I'm gonna get a new shampoo bar the next time I go shopping for sure, because it's just so good. Smells like cinnamon. 10 out of 10, incredible. Next up we have Big Shampoo. Now, I haven't used Big Shampoo in a little while, but I absolutely am obsessed with Big Shampoo. Not only has it got big chunks of sea salt in it, so it's really great for volumizing the hair, but it also exfoliates the scalp at the same time, and my hair always feels beautiful after I use Big Shampoo. Price wise, it is again a bit more expensive. It's £8 for a 130 gram pot, which isn't overly big, so if you can go in and get a sample, I would highly recommend it. But this product, not only does it work amazingly, it smells insane. Ingredients wise, I am just going to read them off. We've got coarse sea salt, lemon infusion, fresh seawater, seaweed infusion, lime juice, coconut oil, neroli oil, and mandarin oil, and orange flower absolute, and vanilla. So it's absolutely chock-a-block full of beautiful ingredients. If you are somebody that's looking for more volume or more texture, Big Shampoo is highly up there with what I would recommend for you, because it's just so volumizing, adds so much texture. It's great for that beachy kind of vibe. I just love it. Next up is quite a new product for me, and that is the Candy Rain conditioner. Now, Candy Rain for me was one of those products I didn't try for ages because I really like American cream. However, Candy Rain is like American cream but better. I really enjoy using Candy Rain. Not only does it smell amazing, but it leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft, and I just am obsessed. Price wise, it is £8 for 100 grams. Again, so quite expensive. I do think that all of the Lush hair care is a little bit pricey, but definitely worth it in my opinion. I have not tried any other brand of hair care apart from Olaplex that does my hair the wonders that Lush products do. But ingredients wise, this has cashew cream, Brazil nut milk, coconut cream, macadamia nut milk. It also has coconut oil, Brazil nut oil, macadamia nut oil, tonka absolute, cocoa absolute and almond essential oil. So it's full again of oils, butters, and it's incredible. It smells amazing. I would highly recommend it. Honestly, one of the best conditioners I've used from Lush for sure. It is just so good, smells amazing, and if you like American cream and you want something a little bit richer, Candy Rain is the one for you. Next up we have a conditioning spray. Now as you guys know, my hair is naturally curly as I've said, and it is bleached, so I can put coconut oil, oils, butters, creams, everything like that in my hair and it doesn't weigh it down, it doesn't make it heavy. My hair drinks it up, which is great. And that's why the Super Milk from Lush just works so well for my hair, because it is a kind of conditioning spray. So I spray it into my hand and then I kind of rub it through my hair. I don't spray it directly. I find that it comes out in quite big amounts, if that makes sense. So I put it in my hand, I rub my hands together and then I rub it through my hair. It just works really, really well. Again, it is a little bit more pricey. It's £13.50 for 100 grams, but it is absolutely brilliant and it smells delish. Ingredients wise, we have almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk, lemon juice, olive oil, and Litsi cucumber oil. Tonka Absolute, Vanilla Absolute. So it smells amazing, it does wonders, and if you're somebody out there that wants that really nice moisturising hair feeling, say no more. It's just incredible, it's so good. So the next item is a treatment. Now I'm not going to go into too much detail with this one because I mention it in pretty much every other favourites video, and that is the Roots hair treatment from Lush. Price wise, it's £14 for 225 grams, and ingredients wise, this one has fresh mint infusion, sweet orange oil, peppermint oil, olive oil, neroli absolute and grapefruit oil. So it is full of beautiful, beautiful ingredients, and I absolutely love this in conjunction with the new Shampoo Bar and things like that, because it does encourage your hair to grow because of the peppermint. It tingles the scalp, encourages those follicles to do their thing. I don't know how it works, I don't know the science behind it, but all I know is that Roots hair treatment is one of my all-time favourite treatments in the entire world, and I will always, always buy it because it's just absolutely incredible, especially with new Shampoo Bar. Together, dream team. Sticking with the treatments, the next one is Marilyn, and Marilyn is one of my all-time favourite treatments as well. I used to use this all the time when I had very, very, very blonde hair. That was back when I first started. I had very, very, very blonde hair. I think all those videos are private now because they were horrendous, but it was white, and this product just works absolutely wonders if you've got blonde hair and you want to sort of almost just give it a more brighter feel and vibe to it. It just works incredible, and honestly it makes my hair incredibly soft. I haven't used this in such a long time, especially since they've reformulated it and brought it back out. I haven't used it, but honestly when I used it before, it smells so nostalgic. It's absolutely incredible, and price wise it's £13 for 225 grams, but it's just so good. So, so good. Ingredients wise, this one has chamomile infusion, saffron infusion, lemon oil, chamomile oil, olive oil and lemon juice. So again, the lemon juice obviously does enhance the hair to be a bit lighter, but other than that there's not really much else I want to say about that. I feel like if you're blonde, it's just perfect to help lighten and brighten your hair. It's just absolutely insane. You're obviously not going to use it and come up with bleached blonde hair. Honestly, I'm just obsessed with Marilyn. I have used it countless of times and I need to get another pot because I miss using it, so definitely need to get that on my next shopping trip. Next up we have another treatment again, and that is the Wen Hua, I think that's how you pronounce it. This is £15 for 225 grams, and ingredients wise we have, what do we have? Fresh bay leaf and watercress infusion, fresh avocado, fair trade bananas, soya lithium, I don't even know what that means, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, rosemary oil and cinnamon leaf oil. Basically this smells not the best. It used to have eggs in it, now it does not, but it just doesn't smell the nicest. It kind of smells like a really weird salad dressing. in my opinion. Smells a bit strange, but this does make your hair incredibly soft. Again, I used to use this all the time when I had bleached hair, because when it was fully bleached, like white as this t-shirt, it was dry, it was brittle, it had no bounce to it and no life to it. So I would always use this and Marilyn and things like that to try and get my hair just a bit healthier again and that kind of thing. But honestly, again, such a beautiful product. If you're looking for something that's really going to hydrate the hair and soften it and just make it a bit more lifeful, I was gonna say lifeless, but that's not what I meant, the opposite of lifeless, then definitely get this product. It's brilliant, amazing, just it doesn't smell great, but ignore the fact it smells gross and just trust me. So the next product is a styling product, and that is Curl Power. It is £10 for a 95g pot, which is quite expensive, but I promise you, if you have got curly hair like mine, this is not it naturally curly, I've curled it today just so it's a bit of a smoother curl, but if you go back to some previous videos, you will see my hair very natural, very curly and that kind of vibe. Curl Power is absolutely incredible. It is the best curl styling cream I have ever used, and trust me, I've tried a lot because I find my hair is so picky and fussy with different types of product, but it loves Curl Power. It smells like avocado co-wash. It's just absolutely incredible. Ingredients wise, in this one we've got coconut vinegar, bergamot oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter. So it's just full of butters and like oils and amazing products that just make your hair so soft. But it smells like avocado co-wash, which if you didn't know, kind of smells like a Twister ice lolly. It's delish. Like if you don't like it, then I don't know what to tell you, but it smells great and it makes my hair feel amazing and style it amazing. If you've got curly hair, trust me, it's unreal. And last but by no means least is another shampoo bar, and that is the coconut rice cake. Now I have only tried this once, as in I used up a whole bar, and it was absolutely incredible, really softening on my type of hair. Again, like I said, I've got curly, dry, very fine hair, but honestly this shampoo bar was just wonderful. It's a very nice middle ground shampoo bar. It's not overly oily, not overly dry. It just made my hair feel soft and clean, and I really liked it. Price wise, this shampoo bar is also £8, and ingredients wise you have white rice, vetiver oil, creamed coconut and coconut milk. After reading the ingredients, I've just seen it has got white rice in it, and I don't know whether that's similar to the rice rinse, you know, that people were doing and growing their hair. Maybe that is, I'm not too sure. Any of you guys know, please let me know down below, because maybe I need to use this and new shampoo bar. I don't know, but it was amazing, made my hair feel incredible, and I just really love the smell as well. So yeah, that is the 10th item. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. This is my best of Lush hair care, and I feel like obviously it completely depends on your hair type and what you want your hair to do and how to feel and that kind of thing, but for me it's all about moisture, hydration, growth and care. So yeah, I love all these products. Let me know down below if you've tried any of the products, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys very much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.